on a project recently to rehouse a number of silver foil fragments that we have. And we have several boxes of these fragments, and they're very delicate. And some of them right now are housed in just plastic bags. So I was trying to come up with a better and more systematic way to house these fragments. So I've created a set of instructions here, and basically it lays out the materials and the tools needed, an approximate time estimate for creating a housing. And then I've created a pictorial guide with step-by-step instructions that people can hopefully follow to replicate the process. And then I'll just show you one of these completed housings. And you can see that you can house fragments with several different K numbers in the same housing just by creating appropriate divisions. And what I've done is to cut out a sheet of Melanex and create simple line drawings for each of the fragments just above the cavities where they're placed. Just like a cooking show, I've kind of prepared some of the materials ahead of time. So I have some cutouts of pastas out here that will fit into this box. And this is sort of a simpler version of the process that's outlined for some of the larger fragments. I have a number of bags here that have very small fragments inside. You can just see the detail on this one. So in this case, it makes a lot more sense to house these fragments individually in small gelatin capsules here. So what I'll do is I will insert the capsules into these cutouts that I've created, and I'll write the K numbers directly on the gelatin exteriors. All right, so I'm just going to transfer one of these foils into a gelatin capsule. And I found that a nice way to work with the foils is to place them on a sheet of Melanex, and that reduces the need to handle them. So there we have the fragment inside the gelatin capsule, and I'll finish that off by closing it up and writing the K number on the exterior. And there you have it.
Excellent. And that just sits in one of these little slots?
That will just rest right in this first cavity.